What if I told you you can build your own AI agent in Python with just 5 lines of code? No LangChain, no Llama index, no complicated setup. Just pip install, write 5 lines, and you have your working agent. Hey everyone, welcome to this brand new series where we are going to build an AI agent using PydanticAI, a Python framework built by the same team behind Pydantic, the most popular data validation library in Python ecosystem. Why PydanticAI over LangChain or Groq AI? Three reasons. It's type safe, everything is validated with Pydantic models, so your agent output are predictable, not just random strings. It's model agnostic, swap between OpenAI, Anthropic, Groq, Gemini, local models, just one line of change. It's production ready, built-in dependency injection, testing tools, streaming, etc. Today we are going to use Groq, which gives us a completely free API access to models like Llama, GPT-OSS, and Quen. We will start by installing dependencies. Open your terminal and install PydanticAI with pip install pydantic-ai. That's it, one package. That's all you need to create your AI agents. But we'll need one more supportive package, python.env, for managing environment variables. We will install it with pip install python.env. Now we need an API key, and I'm going to show you how to get one for free. Head over to console.groq.com, sign up. It takes barely 30 seconds with Google or GitHub. Once you are in, click on the API keys and create an API key. Give it a name and copy it. Create a .env file in your project folder. Paste your API key with variable groq_API_key. Let's write our first agent. Create a file called basic_agent.py. We'll import loadenv from .env to load environment variables. We import the agent class for PydanticAI. This is the core building block of everything. First, we load the environment variables with load_env, which loads the environment variable from .env file. Now we create an agent with two things, a model string and instructions. The model string follows provider model pattern. We are using Groq as a provider and OpenAI GPT OSS 120 as the model. You can find this information from Groq documentation. The instructions, which tells the AI agent how to behave. Think of it as a system prompt. For this basic agent, we'll provide a system prompt as helpful assistant which gives concise answer. We'll call run_sync with our question. This sends it to the LLM and waits for the response. Now we print the output with print result.output. Let's run this script. There is your answer. You just built an AI agent that answers to your queries just like ChatGPT. Now let me show you what else lives inside the result object. It's not just string. We have result.usage, result.allMessages. The usage is incredibly useful. Tells you exactly how many tokens you use, including the input token and output token. For Groq free tier, you have a rate limit, so tracking usage is very important. The all messages gives you a complete back and forth, including the system prompt and the model response. We will use this later when we build the multi-tone conversation chatbot. Here is where PydanticAI really shines. Want to switch from Groq to OpenAI? Just one line of change. Want Anthropic? There you go. Want Gemini? Use this. Same code, same interface, but different brain. No refactoring, no SDK change. This is the power of model agnostic design. For this series, we'll mainly be using Groq because it's free and insanely fast, but everything works across all providers. Let's make our agent a bit more interesting. The instruction parameter is your main lever for controlling behavior. The new instruction is, you are a code buddy, a senior Python developer. You explain code concept using real-world agnostics. You always suggest best practices. Keep response under 200 words. Let's run the script. See how the response is now completely different in tone and style. The instructions shape your agent's entire personality. We will deep dive into static versus dynamic instruction in a later video, but for now, just know that this is where you define who our agent is. And that's it. You just built your first agent with PydanticAI. Installed the library, grabbed a free API key from Groq, created an agent, ran it, inspected the result, and learned how to swap models with just one line of code. This is the easiest way to create your own AI agents. In the next video, we are going to give our agent superpowers. We will learn how to call functions, use tools, and actually do things in real world. Trust me, that's where it gets really exciting. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button. This series is going to be a complete masterclass, so I'll see you in the next one.